Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Piyush Medical Knowledge. Today is very specific video we will talk about, and this video will be broadcast or live for whatever you say. This video will be conducted into English only because I am creating this video especially for my friend from Lebanon. After his requirement, today I will fulfill his requirement. And hi Yasser Char, this video is meant for you and I think this will be useful for you. I am just showing about your requirement and how it will be achieved into Visual FoxPro. So just I am going to the yeah, and now I am just start. Start. So Excel grade 45. Okay. Now I am just doing do Excel grade EXCEL Excel underscore GRID grade underscore version 45. Hit run. Now here you can see this is the grid. This is the normal grid of Visual Fox Pro. Here you can see this is normal grid and here I can drag and select. You can see this is the normal grid of Visual Fox Pro, but here I can drag and select anything. And now I can also copy this. And after copying, I can paste it into Excel or anywhere. Just like here, just I can paste it. Here you can see it has been pasted. Okay. So what you want is here. And not only this, if I just control H, C go, and if I replace all, okay. Now if I just copy this much, and if I just select any cell here and if I paste it, you can see it paste is also working. So here you can see what you required is fulfilled here. You can use the grid as Excel. You can just select any area, you can copy it, and if you want larger area, just then you can just select here start point. Then you can scroll down and select any area and click endpoint, and now you can just copy. And after copying, you can paste in Excel or anywhere. You can just paste it. Also, you can paste it in Notepad. You can paste it in Notepad also. Here you can see. So now here what you can do is you can cut also. After selecting, you can just clear and selection will be cleared. And if you just select and you clear cut, it will be cut. And you can just select here and press delete and it will be deleted. Now if you can just paste and the cut part will be pasted here. Okay, and so on. There are more versions. Here you can see that this is version 1 to version 45, but I am just showing you the latest version. Now I am just doing modify for, and I am just showing you this one. Here you can see two grids and the code is like something that's only. And if I run it, control E, and stereo is not found. 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Now here you can see this is here. I think you will see that this is working or not. But I will see. Just I have selected here. I have pressed Control C, and now I have gone to Excel. And if I just here and Control V, you can see this is working. Control C and Control V is also working here. Not only in this, but also working in this also. Just I have here and then control C, then control V. Here you can see it is working. So yes, you can do whatever with grid, and you don't need to code as much. Yes, there is something error. We have to fix that, but I will just show you the code. Here, if you see, this is two grid. And what is the code? Only one code is here. First of all, we have to set procedure. After that, set procedure, grid Excel, this one dot grid and dot for buttons. And this one dot GRD cell, and that's all. Okay. Oh. Yes, you can say that there are some errors, but I will show you some others where there is no error. For that, I will just show you that one also. So, uh, um, see, yeah, you can yes, EXL. Okay, what is EXL? First of all, we have to see modi command EXL. Sorry, EXL. So you can see we have just close all clear, release all clear, and then do form Excel grade 15. I will show you it from 1. Okay, so just save it and run it. This is the first one. Here you can see select is perfectly working. Okay, and but copy is not working here. If you press it, there will be this type of error. Okay, yes, here it can work. Just select it and copy, and I think it will work. And control V. Yes, this is working. You can see. Okay, so if there is only one grid, then it will work perfectly. Okay, clear. Here, exit is not working. Now, if I clear mode, you can see second one is this one, and here exit is not working, but copy and paste is working perfectly. If I just paste, if I just paste, it will paste it. Okay, okay, 1 minute. If I just copy and then I will just paste it, copy, paste, stop. Oh, very good. Okay, this is second one, and so on. Uh, And I think you have understood whatever the functionality is. That yes, Visual FoxPro Grid can be handled as Excel, where you can select, copy, paste, delete, cut, everything. Now you can ask that is there possibility of making this one larger, making this as other color? Yes, that may also be possible, but that is not practical, because for that Visual Foxer have to go into a multiple loop. That is not perfect. Yes, for somewhat reason you can make that a specific area colorful. So I think you are now aware that many thing is possible. And your main requirement is, what is your main requirement? Your main requirement is VFP Grid can behave like AXEL sheet, like selecting range, copy, cut, copy, paste, range. And the answer is yes. So have a good day. We will see you very soon.